Imagine this. One morning, the speed of light, and the fastest thing in the universe, suddenly becomes half as fast. Instead of moving at 300,000 kilometers per second, it now moves at 150,000. It sounds small, but this single change would completely break the universe. Light isn't just what lets us see. It's the rule that controls time, energy, and space. Everything depends on it. First, the sun. The energy the sun produces depends on the speed of light. If light suddenly slows down, the math behind nuclear fusion breaks. The sun might dim, flicker, or even stop burning the same way. That means less sunlight reaching Earth, and life here would start freezing. Now think about time. According to Einstein, the speed of light sets the limit for how fast time can move. If light slows down, time and space stretch differently. You could be sitting on an airplane and time would actually tick slower for you, much more than it does now. Our technology would also collapse instantly. Every radio signal, GPS, Wi-Fi, and even your phone depends on how electromagnetic waves travel. And those are just forms of light. If light slowed down, signals would take longer to reach, causing chaos in the internet, communication, and satellites. GPS would become useless because it relies on the exact timing of light speed signals. Even colors and vision would look strange. Because light bends differently when it slows down, things like rainbows, camera lenses, and even your eyes would stop working the same way. Colors might shift and everything could look distorted or dull. But the biggest change would be in energy itself. Einstein's famous equation, E=mc2, says that energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. If c, the speed of light, becomes half, then c2 becomes 4 times smaller. That means everything in the universe would hold only 1/4 of the energy it used to. Nuclear power plants, stars, and even atomic structures would behave differently. Some might collapse or explode. And what about space? The light from distant stars would take twice as long to reach us. Many stars and galaxies we see today would suddenly disappear from view, because their light would no longer reach Earth in time. The universe would look smaller overnight. Electricity would also act weirdly. It moves through wires as electromagnetic waves, and if those slow down, power systems could fail or burn out. Almost all modern life would stop working. In short, having the speed of light would not just make light slower, it would change the rules of the entire universe. Time, space, energy, gravity, and life. Everything depends on that one constant. If it suddenly changed even by a little, the universe as we know it could fall apart in seconds. So next time you turn on a light bulb or look at the sun, remember, the speed of light isn't just fast. It's the number that keeps reality itself from breaking.